how to turn off your active on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can turn off your active on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to turn off your active on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all basically launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, make sure to sign into the account, then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right and go to settings. Once you go to settings, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just go to privacy. Once you come to privacy, over here you'll find this option called activated status. All you have to do is just tap on activated status button here, and in order to turn off your active, all you have to do is just turn off both of these toggles and your active will be successfully turned off. But keep in mind that when you turn off your active, you'll also not be able to see when other people are actually active. So hope this video helped you understand the question as to how you can turn off your active on Instagram. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.